To capture a screenshot on a Realme Note 60, first option is to click on the power button and volume down button at the same time. Just click on it once and the screenshot should appear in the bottom left corner. Click on it to open the screenshot, and then we can, for example, edit that screenshot however we like. Now let me show you another option, and you can find it in the settings. Then on the bottom there's system, and here's a screenshot. When activated, you can capture a screenshot by holding and swiping your fingers, 3 fingers from top of the screen, and that way you can also capture a screenshot. But the first option I've shown is much more convenient if you try to capture a screenshot, for example, for a website, as if you try to use your 3 fingers, sometimes it may scroll down the website and it won't move your screenshot. So be sure of that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to my channel, leave a like and a comment below.